Welcome to Really Fun Math with Miss Colebank.
Good morning and welcome to week 7. We only have 2 more weeks of online content, so stick with me. Let's get some of those final grades up and keep submitting stuff so that you are ready for Algebra 1 next year. This week, Math 8 is going to return to our angles unit. We're going to be talking about some of the vocab from angles and practicing because that is something you will see again in high school. And then workshop people are going to be working on some mental math skills and other things that will be beneficial in Algebra 1. So as usual, I hope you guys are doing awesome. Thank you so much for putting in the time to improve your mathematical skills before you go to high school, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay tuned for the calendar review. So here is your learning calendar for the week of May 11th through May 15th. As usual, workshop is in this orange color, Math 8 is in the blue color, and then things that work for both classes are in green. Everything that is blue and underlined is the link. You just have to click on it, and then again, the Family Fun Photos and Videos Padlet is still live, and I do check on that, and I know some other students are looking at it too, so that's a fun way to engage with the class. The first thing you need to do this week is watch this video, which if you're listening to me right now, you already did. And then there is another digital graph of the week. There's only going to be 2 more of those, one this week and one next week. For workshop people, you will be working on MobyMax. This is the last time you get to work on MobyMax, or at least I'm putting it on the calendar. So maybe do one final push and then we can see where you ended up in your total progress for the year for those in workshop. On Tuesday, watch this tutorial video. I'm just about to make it. We are going to be reviewing measuring angles with a protractor. We did a lot of this in class with the circles that we made, but then also there is the website where you can practice that you get really good review on. So that is linked, and I want you to do 15 of those measurements. Make sure you get them right, and then submit the screenshot as an assignment in Google Classroom. So underneath the link in Google Classroom, you will be able to upload your screenshot, and I will also show you how to do that in the video if you forgot. I will do a WebEx check-in at 11 o'clock on Tuesday morning. If anybody wants to say hi, I appreciate those of you that are staying in touch with me. Wednesday for Math 8, I want you guys to work on some of your mental math skills, doing the Delta Math mental math review. That's stuff that you have seen before. We're just going to work on fluency with that because that's something that will help you next year. For Thursday, Math 8 people, you're working on angle relationships review. There is a resource that I want you to read through, and then a quizzes assignment. Again, try to get over 85%. The code is 814634. And Thursday afternoon, I will be doing a WebEx check-in if anybody wants to stop by and say hi. So again, remember, on Tuesday, the WebEx is at 11. On Thursday, the WebEx is at 2. On Friday, workshop people, there is a video reviewing graphing inequalities, and then I do give you some practice problems that I want you to try. And again, just work on this. This is a website, so you can do it on there, and that's just going to be by the honor system. As usual, resources are at the bottom. There's a family resource page if you're looking for extra stuff to work on or stuff to do with your family, the link to my YouTube channel, and then the scientific calculator and graphing calculator. Please email me or get on WebEx if you guys have any questions, and have a great week. I'll see you later.